Hello everyone! Today I will show you how to assemble the Levenhuk New Skyline PLUS 90 by 900 AZ3 telescope. I would also like to point out that it comes in this beautiful gift box. You can easily give it to someone as a present. Assembling the telescope mount. To begin the setup, first loosen the screws and slowly extend the tripod leg sections until they reach a height that is comfortable for your needs, after which you must secure them all tightly by firmly turning the locking screws. Install the accessory tray. Secure it with screws. Take the telescope rings. This is the front part, and we place the rings onto the mounting platform for the rings. Take the tube and position it so that the center of balance is right in the middle between the two rings. Secure it. Take the slow motion control handles. Install the longer one here and the shorter one here. Check the operation of the handles. Install the optical finder's bracket into the slot on the tube. Secure it. Secure our optical finder. Loosen the screws. Installing the eyepiece. First, remove the protective cap. Take the erecting prism. Remove the protective caps. Install it. Secure it with screws. Next, take the eyepiece you have chosen. Here we have the focusing knob. To focus on an object, slowly turn the focusing knob until the image in the eyepiece becomes sharp. Axis adjustment knob. Our telescope is ready. And let me remind you, never look at the sun without a solar filter. I wish you excellent observations.